Welcome to your guide on how to use the SG3. So let's get started. To power on the SG3, you can use the remote control by pressing the middle button or the button twice. And click the unlock button to turn it off. Alternatively, use the key and turn it to the right. Remember, use the key to turn the unit on and off, and the remote for remote operations.
The anti-theft feature. Your SG3 includes a built-in alarm system for security. Activate it by pressing the lock button on your remote. If someone tries to move or tamper with the bike, the alarm will sound, and the engine will automatically lock. To deactivate the alarm and unlock the engine, press the unlock button on your remote. Now, for understanding your e-bike. The dashboard displays essential information like speed, turn signals, lights, and battery level. Also, keep an eye on the battery. Charge it promptly and allow it to cool for optimal performance. As for braking, use both the left and right brake levers for balance and effective stopping power. Reminder, this bike is designed for single driver use only.
Let's proceed with lights and signals. Ensure better visibility by activating the front lights. Use the turn signals for safe turns and driving. And don't forget the horn for added safety.
Now the gear and driving modes. Use drive, the letter D, for forward movement, and reverse, the letter R, for backing up. For driving it, you can select Gear 1 for flat roads and Gear 2 or 3 for uphill terrain. Gear 1 conserves power and offers a comfortable ride on a level ground.
Moving on to charging your e-bike. When it's time to recharge, connect the charger to the port. Use a charger rated at 60 volts and 20 amperes to match the bike's requirements. Plug the charger into a 220 volts outlet, and while charging, the indicator light on the charger will be red. Once fully charged, it will turn green, indicating that the battery is ready for use. So there you have it. You are now equipped with the knowledge to operate your SG3.
Stay safe and enjoy your ride.
Jisoo e-bike, your professional choice.